Jammin JD Sports Cards, what is going on, everybody? We have another basketball blaster box. We are catching up on all the basketball that we skipped out on, but we got it for you. We're doing Optic now, 16, 17. This is $19.99, Target or Walmart. The usual thing. Exclusive signatures, 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. So not very many cards. You just got 24 cards per box. Maybe we'll get one of those blue signatures numbered to 25. There's no guarantees. Nothing. Ultra rare checkerboard parallels. That'd be cool. But, again, nothing is guaranteed. We're going to pull something. Come on, man. Let's at least get a numbered card. Pack 1. Got that nice chrome look. Jordan Mickey. Rookie Kings, Buddy Hield. Nice. So, packs are going to go quick. Kyle Korver. CJ Miles. Jeremy Lamb. That's your prism. Refractor, whatever you want to call it. And Henry Ellenson, rookie. Rodney Hood. Rajon Rondo. Hall Kings, Yao Ming. That's pretty sweet. Digging on that. And Alex Len. Schroeder. Jeff Teague. Porzingis. Another prism. That's nice. Digging on that. And base rookie. 2 packs left. Quick break, man. Quick break. Joe Johnson. Chris Middleton. Very nice. Dwayne Wade. What do they call these now? Checkerboard? Yep. Checkerboard prisms. I call them X-Fractors. Topps Chrome. Same look. They were X-Fractors. But there you go. There's your checkerboard prism, Dwayne Wade. Good looking card. And a really shiny Kevin Durant. Look how shiny that thing is. Last pack, Julius Randle. Jordan Clarkson, Court Kings. Nice looking insert. Court Kings, Karl Anthony Towns. Very cool. I almost missed it. The Clarkson is numbered. 79 of 99. So that's cool. We did get a numbered card. Sweet. And there's your final rookie. There you have it. Not bad. We got a few prisms. We got the nice Clarkson to 99. The checkerboard Dwayne Wade. Very cool card. And the Hall Kings. I like the Yao Ming the best. Good old Yao. Wish he could have had a better career, played a little longer. Thank you guys for watching. That was a super fast break. Check out our website, jamminjdcards.com. Hit us up on Twitter at jamminjdcards. Please like and subscribe. Take it easy, and thank you for watching.